How to buy a NUIT token. So if you don't understand that word, it's mean the nights in French. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money once in crypto with the best referral code. Simplest codes below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. So as you can see, this is the REX account. Before going and buy this token, make sure to check the REX account and keep following the updates about this token. So to be able to buy this token, as you can see, in this token, it's available on just go. Now to be able to buy this token, what you need to do, just copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Sorry, guys. So open your fund to wallet for that. Swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Click here. Paste the token address, as you can see. So this is our token. Click on it. And here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you will receive. Also, that select the provider, for example, Jupiter. And make sure to read all that information here. After that, click on swap and you will be able to redirect it to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face any issue, go back to this page with the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of the issues came from the slippage. And after that, you can be able to buy this token without any issues. So this is how to buy NUIT token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.